Let's make some chicken spring rolls in the air fryer. Take some oil in a pan. Add some sesame oil as well. Chicken mince or keema. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Cook the keema until it's brown. Once the keema is brown, add the vegetables. I've got spring onions, cabbage, mushrooms, peppers and carrots. So I'm gonna add everything in it. Add about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt. Stir fry everything on high heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. The filling has cooled down. Spring roll sheets. Mix some flour with water. Brush some oil on it. Filling. Egg wash. Sesame seeds. Nigella seeds. Place the rolls in the air fryer. 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Chicken rolls are ready. I flip these halfway through.